In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Zoom to Google Drive through an easy integration process that will take you just about 5 minutes. This quick guide will ensure that you can seamlessly store your Zoom recordings in Google Drive without a hitch, making your workflow much more efficient. First things first, I'd like you to head over to Zapier's homepage. Zapier is a powerful automation tool that connects various apps together to perform automated tasks, or zaps as they like to call them. Once you are on the Zapier homepage, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're new to the platform. Now when you're ready, look for the Create button and give it a click. This will enable you to start crafting a new zap. Next, navigate to the section labeled Zaps. This is where all the magic of automating your tasks truly begins. In the Copilot message box, which you'll see at the top, type the keywords Connect Google Drive and Zoom. This phrase helps Zapier pinpoint the integration you're aiming to achieve. Once the suggested steps appear, simply click on Add All Steps to Zap to proceed efficiently. Now you're going to need a trigger, which is the event that starts the integration process. Select a suitable trigger that matches when you want actions to occur, such as a new recording in Zoom. Following this, it's time to log into your Google Drive account. This is essential because you want your recordings to be automatically transferred to the right location. After logging in, click on Configure to confirm the details and set any specific preferences for your Google Drive connection. To ensure everything is running smoothly, don't forget to click Test. This step will verify that the trigger and connection are correctly set up by running a quick simulation. Next, click on Zoom within your list of applications to connect it, similar to what you did with Google Drive. After this, you'll be prompted to select an action event. This could be anything from uploading a file to updating calendar events, depending on your specific workflow needs. At this point, you need to log into your Zoom account, which is crucial to ensure that your recordings can be seamlessly transferred. Repeat the configure step to set up your Zoom preferences. Once more, run a test to double check everything. With the tools configured and the workflows connected, click Publish to activate your Zap. This will finalize the integration, launching an automated process that saves your Zoom recordings to Google Drive whenever they're created. And there you have it. You've connected Zoom to Google Drive using Zapier. By following these steps, you ensure a more efficient and organized way to manage your recordings and files, freeing up your time for more important tasks. Keep automating and exploring new Zap possibilities to make the most out of your tools and technology.